Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Halolock universal ring from ESR. This MagSafe ring enables safe and fast wireless charging by converting your ordinary case into a magnetic case compatible with MagSafe chargers and accessories. It is compatible with iPhone 12 and 13, not iPhone 11. And compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S9 series or later. Upgrade your case to a MagSafe case. The case must be smooth PC or TPU without non-slip coating. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, find out more about this product, install it to my case and see how it works. Scan for a quick and easy setup video. But stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product and how you can install it. Part of the Holo system. Alignment clip. Okay. We've got wet wipe and dry wipe. And we can see this is a universal link alignment guide for iPhone. And we've got the iPhone 12 mini, mini 13, 12 Pro, 13 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max. And for the Samsung S10 Plus, S20 Plus, S21 Plus, S10, S20, S21 and S10e it says. Okay. And we can see the guide here, ABC. And of course, we've got the rings. There are the rings. We've got two rings, one on a black color and the other on a gray color. It is your choice which ring you want to use. And you need to install it on the case, not inside the case. Nice. I like the package, nothing else included. There is the alignment kit. Obviously, that's for the holes you need to choose and make the installation. Now, before the installation, let me show you, this is a MagSafe wireless charging. And you can see how it's holding very well. Yeah, nice. Definitely it will do a good job. It's too hard to remove it. Okay. In one side of this plastic installation kit, it has the lighting connection, you can see. And at the other side it is the Type-C connection. Now I will use my Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. You need to connect it in this way. And then I will use the light gray. And there's the Samsung. You need to install it on the B holes. For my phone, for your phone, maybe it is the A or the C. Then remove the sticker. And this gap, it goes here that it says ESR, alignment very well. Now we don't need that, we can remove that. Press it very well around. Perfect. Remove this plastic. I will use it for the iPhone. Now take a compatible MagSafe charger. And we can see it's charging. It is on. Fast wireless charging, 3%. Okay, I like it. With a MagSafe. and we can see the metal is very strong. This is not a magnet, this is only metal. This is magnet. I like it. And just like that, I have managed to make my case MagSafe compatible. Well, let's try it on an iPhone with a non-MagSafe case. Now let's install it for the iPhone 12. We need this installation kit. Lighting connection goes here. Then we need this B, it is the iPhone 12, the B holes are going here, perfect. Remove the tape and then alignment very well. Okay, we don't need that anymore, just press it. Perfect. Remove the installation kit and then take the MagSafe, goes here, and it will start charging 63%. And it's holding very well without a problem. The metal with the magnet is very strong. And it's charging. Well guys, it doesn't matter in which way you want to use these rings, if that is for an iPhone or other device, definitely is working, is doing an amazing job. Transform your regular case on a MagSafe case. I like it, thumbs up. Well guys, that was all about easy installation at my case, if that is an iPhone or other brand. This is Samsung. Easy installation, just follow my instructions at my video and definitely you will do it correct. And of course, if you want, you can use these wet wipes and dry wipe to clean up your case better. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.